Like it. Yep, that's a good way to start it off. Oh man. Gosh, dude. This is my first time ever seeing an LFA in person, and it looks way better. Like in the videos, the body style looks way like different almost.
Oh my gosh. The red interior.
Bro, that's insane. Full carbon wing. Oh man.
That triple exhaust is nasty.
Yeah, bro. You think they'll rev it?
No.
I know you like these.
That was the lighting.
Oh yeah, look at this. It's crazy. Yeah, you're a big M2 guy.
I like M2s.
This is insane.
I really
color
like
on
the
them.
rear ends of them.
The rear ends?
Yeah.
Yeah, they grew on me too. I was never really a fan of them.
I like them a lot.
Yeah, they're nice. So we're in Beamer Central right now. Oh, it does have the vents.
Oh, it does. Yeah.
There are vents. I thought the hood was busted on the other one. This thing is sweet. Holy moly. This is wild. What is that little guy?
Why is my car over there?
Your car's right here. Yeah, you've got a few of them. Yeah.
I don't need to see that.
This is my car. What is that thing? It's an Aston Martin something. Yeah, it is a ZR1.
Yeah, this is the new ZR1.
Look at that hood. This is insane though.
Yeah, this is literally the new ZR1.
That is wild.
That wing is insane.
Yup. That quad exhaust is wild.
What's
Yeah,
the wing
that's
doing?
crazy.
Full carbon?
Yeah. And huge.
I'm surprised it doesn't say ZR1. Oh, it does.
Does it? Oh, dude. Oh, you can barely see it on here. That's sick. What do you mean that's right there? You've never seen one in person, right? Well, there you go. There's a Pagani for you. Yeah, dude. Oh, wow. Oh. Is that a, what's it called? It's a Hennessy. That's what it is. Dude. Oh my gosh.
Carbon tub is insane.
Yeah. Dude, there's a billion cars. Billions of them. That Porsche right there?
Yeah.
That was at 4 till 4. That one right there. Porsche Day. Yep, I got a picture of it. Oh, the Hoonigan truck. What? Bro, that Pagani's insane, dude. SV. There's red. So we've got a Murcielago SV. Damn. Let's see. Holy crap, dude. Yeah, they've got cars outside too. Mark IV, NSX, R32, R33, R34, R35. That's insane. All of them. All right there. All 4 of them. They're all GTRs too. It's not really on my bucket list. Not gonna lie.
Oh, that's an R8.
Where? Oh! This is the same one my buddy drove to prom.
This same one?
Same spec.
Oh.
Color, red stripe, everything. I have a picture of it. It's insane. Let me tell you, that thing rips. Too many. Oh, ZR1. 11 actual miles.
What?
It's the banner on the car. 11.
How is there swirls in the paint though?
Huh?
How is there swirls in the paint though?
What do I gotta do to get my car in here? No, you gotta be able to tell me. Go buy it. What lot number is it so we can get you it? Sale number 725. That's the spec. That's the spec. Oh, it's wide-bodied. Oh! What's the back look like? Oh! Yep. GG. My pants are filled. That's rough. Oh, dude. No, they kind of sound insane though. They sound insane. Like, that's insane to me. Oh, we're right here. We came pretty far back up. Yeah, I was about to say, what do you mean we missed the 720S's over here? It's getting busy. Yeah. Starting to get packed. Damn.
I was thinking about getting one the next couple.
You want to take that to go?
Bro, I would love to try that.
Just as a test drive.
Yeah, just.
Imagine ripping it.
And it's carbon.
Huh?
The thing's carbon.
Oh yeah, that's insane, dude.
It's crazy to think this thing's pushing over 1,000. What is it?
Out the factory.
11 or 1,000?
It's like 1,065, I think, or something. Yeah, I want to go see that GTD.
Is there a line?
It's a dark horse. It's crazy, dude. We got to see it before we go. It really doesn't even look that bad, though.
Yeah.
That's crazy. What?
Yeah.
I mean, that's fair. For C5, 405 horsepower. What do you mean we're leaving and there's a car for basically auction out here? There's the Benmobile. And that's a wrap. If you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and make sure you guys like the video. Leave a comment down below what your favorite car was, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Love you guys.